Hi, and welcome to the explanation section for the Fantastic 14. I've mentioned in the performance that this is a magician fuller. It is actually based on the Gemini twins principle, but finding the last ace, this is somewhat kicker bonus for most of the magicians. So that's why I have mentioned that this could be a magician fuller. So it needs a little setup. The two aces are on top. One ace is at the bottom, and for the last ace you position it 8th from the bottom. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. Put in the last ace so that it ends up at the 8th position from the bottom. Then you let the spectator select 3 cards, but they are not allowed to pick the top 2 cards, the bottommost card, and the 8th from the bottom, because these are the aces, right? So, and to avoid it, you spread it like this. You have a very narrow spread here in this section, and narrow spread at the right hand, so the probability that the spectator are picking those cards are very low. So let's see. These are really free selections. 1, 2, 3, any cards. And then you introduce the number 14, which is your personal lucky number. And you demonstrate why it is, why 14 is your lucky number. So while picking up 3 cards, you have to obtain a break under the top card, which is the first ace, and you add them up to this packet. And here you can pattern, you can ask the spectator again which card do you prefer to start with. So let's say, yeah, with the 3 of spades. Then you pick up the 4 cards because you have 3 selected cards and 1 ace hidden underneath them. And you hold them in the right hand middle grip, secured, and you count up from 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? Now you have to put back this ace on the packet. So the excuse for that is that you put the deck onto the table to square these cards up. Okay? Then you put the 3 on the little packet and the rest on top. So what we have done here, we have positioned the bottom ace, the initial bottom ace, on top of the 3, and we have set up the next ace already for this card here. So next you take openly the 2 remaining selections into your right hand and proceed with the same procedure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put the 3 into it and we position again the 1 ace on top of the 3. And the same game for the last selection, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we put the 3rd ace on top of the 9. Now you spread and recap again for the spectator what we have done so far with the selections. So they had the free selection of the card, and depending on the values we have counted and positioned the selections into the deck. Okay? And you show 1 ace, 2 aces, and 3 aces. Okay? And you just pretend that the trick is over, but then you refocus on that you have only 3 aces and how to find the last ace. And for that you just have to add up the values. 3, 6, plus 9 is 15, and we count to the 15th position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. There you have it. This is the Fantastic 14, as I call it. And yeah, this is based on Howard Hamburg's Mystical 13. And since it is a variation, it should have an improvement to it, to the original effect. And one improvement, when you can say it is improvement, is you just need one regular deck. Howard Hamburg needs 2 decks, and he has a special kicker by using a blank deck. And yeah, that's it. You can just perform it with one deck, with one regular deck. Have fun with it.